Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Eman. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about 5 products that I absolutely love that leave your hair looking gorgeous. The first product that I have been loving is the Garnier Whole Blends Haute Delicacy Gentle Detangling Milk. This is my favorite hair detangler. I spray this in my hair right after the shower, so when my hair is wet, and it just leaves my hair feeling so soft and so smooth, and it takes all the tangles out. So when I comb through my hair, there's no knots and it just combs through so smoothly. So it helps protect my hair from getting damaged, and it smells absolutely amazing. I always use this after every shower before any other hairstyling, and it always helps my hair look and feel amazing. Product number 2 is the Dry Bar Curling Wand. So this has been my go-to way for styling my hair. You guys have been commenting on it non-stop for the last little while. I personally love using a curling wand. I find it a lot easier to use than a curling iron, and this one from Dry Bar is my absolute favorite one to use. What makes this one very unique is the barrel. So you can see that the barrel is slightly thicker on the tip and it gets thinner closer to the end of the barrel. This is what gives that super loose, effortless waves that are perfect for every day. They're not super undone, and it's all about the shape of this barrel. Plus this wand heats up really nice and hot, so you're gonna get those waves done really quickly. And I just love the end result. It gives you the perfect hairstyle for every day. I'm sure you guys can tell that my hair looks quite a bit different. I told you guys a few videos ago that I'll be making a change, so let me show you what I did. It is a new season, and as much as I have loved my Garnier Olia color for the last little while, I am ready for a change. I want to switch up my color, but I really didn't know what color to choose, and then Garnier came out with a new feature that is the coolest thing. It is their virtual shade selector. It helps you find and try on your ideal hair color shade. You can use it either on your computer or on your phone. All you do is visit garnierusa.com/shade selector, and then you just take the 1-minute quiz where you answer a bunch of questions that'll help you figure out which Garnier hair color product is the best match for you. After you answer all the questions in the quiz, it's going to recommend some shades for you, and then you can virtually try on the shades. All you do is upload a photo of yourself, and then you get to see how the shades look on you. It's so cool, you guys. It's such a fun way to test out different hair colors, to see which color you like the best, which color matches you. I had so much fun playing with this. I've decided that since it's winter, I really wanted to go back to a nice dark brown, so I will be going for Garnier Olia 4.0 dark brown. Inside the box, you are going to find the developer, the colorant, and the after color conditioner, gloves, and the instructions, which are very, very important to follow. You want to start by wrapping a towel around yourself and comb through your hair to make sure there are no knots. And then you're going to section off your hair, which makes it a lot easier to apply the color. Put the gloves on, unscrew the lid from the hair developer, mix the colorant into the developer and squeeze it all in. Then put the lid back on the developer and shape. Rub into the roots and then work down into the hair. Repeat on multiple sections until all your hair is covered, and then wait for 30 minutes and rinse. All right guys, this is the final color. I absolutely love how it turned out. I think this is going to be the perfect color for the winter season. And of course with Olia, not only is the color beautiful and vibrant, but my hair looks and feels so healthy. Garnier Olia is made up of 60% oils, and it's ammonia free. It leaves your hair feeling hydrated and silky, and the application is super easy to use. I'm so excited to have this hair color for the winter season. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. Item number 4 is another favorite. It is the Slip Silk Scrunchie. These are the best, you guys. They are so great for your hair. They're silk scrunchy. They don't mess your hair up. You don't get any breakage at all. They're so gentle on your hair. I love using these instead of the usual black elastics that you put them in and they get stuck and then they break your hair off. These do not do that at all. They're super gentle. You could put them in your hair and it won't leave any marks or any kinks in your hair. I love using these also overnight, so I can put my hair up while I'm sleeping and then wake up the next day and my hair still looks fabulous. These are a must try, you guys. You guys are gonna love them. Plus they make a really cute Christmas present because they are really stylish and they look cute too. And the last product that I absolutely love is the Slip Silk Pillowcase. This, you guys, is a lifesaver for your hair. It's so much better to use a silk pillowcase rather than a regular cotton pillowcase. It protects your hair overnight, it prevents breakage, and it's also really nice for your skin. So that's a bonus. I really noticed that when I used to blow out my hair and then just sleep on a regular cotton pillowcase, I would wake up the next day and my hair would be frizzy, the blowout would totally be ruined. But the silk pillowcase completely helps protect your hair and keep the style as well. So you wake up the next day with beautiful, gorgeous hair. I personally love the Slip brand, but any silk pillowcase will work. Those are 5 products that will leave your hair looking absolutely gorgeous. I hope you guys get a chance to try them out. Be sure to check out the links for everything that I talked about in the description box below. Don't forget to check out the Garnier Shade Finder to try on any hair color you want. It is so fun. You guys are gonna have so much fun playing around with it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Be sure to hit that big red subscribe button if you're new to my channel and you love all things beauty. And be sure to add me on Instagram as well at Eman, because I post there every day. I love you guys and I'll see you in my next video very soon. Bye.